Hey folks, today is May 15th and it's time for a new market update from my side. What I changed is to, instead of showing you 1 day or weekly chart, I change it to 1 hour chart. So it will be more like for upcoming week, not the update or my analysis or some predictions for upcoming month or half a year or something like that, as I'm planning to do these updates every week. And yeah, I should be showing you what I'm thinking about the next market moves for the upcoming week and not longer period. So let's get into details. And as you can see, market currently consolidating around price of 4,150, and it's actually going sideways, and I predicted it will be the same more or less this week. It's still not clear whenever we are going to break this support line or this resistance line up or down, so you can take advantage in trading in sideways. I do the same, and yeah, we are basically waiting where we will move to. Here, as you can see, situation a little bit more clear. We are in uptrend channel and already broke resistance line at the price of 13,285. And for the next week, I think we will continue to go upwards in this channel. And as you can see, it is moves in like groups or small sub channels. So I think we will be going down or maybe up and then continue near to this resistance line and then go down and near to this support line and then going to finish in uptrend anyway. And as you can see, European market is more or less the same as SP 500 and also consolidating and forming a flag figure, and we are waiting where the price will broke upwards on downwards, and after that there will be a huge move. And yeah, based on this we will draw new support or resistance lines, but so far we will be moving sideways in like slow volatility or slow side channel. Australian index shows the same picture, but even better, because it's clear that we broke this downtrend and now going in uptrend. And usually when we are trying several times to break resistance line, finally it should be broken, but all major indexes are close to their all-time high, and this all-time high level is usually works as a huge resistance. So breaking that level would be really hard. So that's why price might go down, but this is the all-time high level. So as you can see, if we go here, for sure there will be pullback. And yeah, just to take into account this price moves that might be happen in a future week or month. Here, as you can see, index of biggest 50 Hong Kong companies, and we broke huge round number, which is 20,000. And it was a hard move or sharp move up. And I think we will be going sideways, similar like here or here for upcoming week before breaking even higher. So for those who trade, I think for you it's just best time to put your limit orders and just enjoy this sideways move. As you can see, Bitcoin already finished a downtrend and currently forming local uptrend, but because main indexes consolidating, so do the same with Bitcoin price. And yeah, it currently slowly moving sideways. So I think we will be continuing to doing so this week before actually breaking the next support level or actually resistance level here around 28,000. And after that, the price can go up sharply. But keep in mind that recently Bitcoin is highly correlated with SP 500. If SP 500 falls, that mean the same for the other indexes and Bitcoin price too, and it will also affect other altcoins. So if SP 500 will go down, everything will go down. Here is oil chart, and as you can see, we are in downtrend and trying to break this support level without some luck. So I think we will be going sideways for this week too, and at the end of the week we might see a support breakdown. But if there will be any changes on the market, we'll see during the week. If there will be a move up and we will break this resistance level, then the next target for us would be a price around 74 Otherwise, we will continue to go down to about 67 or even lower. As you can see on gold chart, we are currently in a local downtrend. We already tried to break major all-time high level around 2000 and it was partially successful. We reached 2050, but then moved sharply back and then started to climb, but almost reached that level again and then pull it back. So that's why we are formed currently downtrend or even flag if you look from this level. So yeah, I expect for gold is to be the same as SP 500 or other indexes or commodities. It will continue to go sideways during this week because everybody is looking at SP 500 whenever it will move. If it go up, then gold most likely go down. Otherwise, if SP 500 fails or drops, then gold will go up and then we will break this level again, and yeah, that would be another opportunity for those who like shorts. So put another sell short limit and make money on a gold move down. Because currently I wouldn't buy gold because it's too risky. We are too close to the all-time high, and usually all-time high is a huge resistance level. Yeah, that's it for today. I didn't want you to overload with different commodities or a bunch of indexes or ETFs or stocks. So if you have any questions or want me to review any particular stock or ETF or index, let me know in the comments and I will do so and upload the video as soon as it's ready. Thank you for your view. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.